a couple cars tonight. Supras, BMWs, boosted, Civics, Q50s, something light. Got a couple TOs out there. More Civics. It's looking like a good night, boys. Q50 stock turbo.
Está listo, güey. Vamos a llevarnos esto, güey. Esto no le sirve. Bueno.
No, make this 500 or 450.
So how much you make?
At
You
least
cracked it. You
400?
cracked so much power. You cracked it.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Pump gas.
It's nice.
Yeah.
It's nice. Nice little toy you got.
Hey, that's time we do.
That shit clean. Clean. Super clean. Accurate TO. Velocity stack, I'm assuming. Clean. Oh yeah, we got money runs going on. Locked in, locked in. Got some fast boys tonight. Something crazy. Yeah. Alright, so we just left the spot and we got a couple money runs going down, but we got to get to the spot in Mexico first so we can do all that. But yeah, man, it's looking like a good night. We got more than enough cars to get some action in, so you know, just stay tuned and let's get to it. All right, first race of the night, we got a Q50 stock turbo full bolt-on E85 against this STI over there. Upgraded turbo, fueling, some other stuff I really don't understand because that's not the type of cars I'm into, but pretty evenly matched. That one is a little bit lighter. Should be a good race.
Wait, can you shine the light here? Damn, I lost that. Alright, so you wanna hold my money?
Money, let's go. Back to the night, boys. Back to the night. Let's go. Got a couple cars that came out. Good turnout.